Jaslyn Folk, who's celebrating her 7th birthday. Jaslyn, a very beautiful picture, and a happy birthday to you in Oswego.
Also in Oswego, Addie Heflin turns 12 years old this year. Happy birthday, Addie.
This can't be right. Can we double check the age on this, please?
Already a teenager.
Kinsey, number 1, happy birthday. Number 2, no, I was gonna give her a hard time. Say, I don't know how you made it to 13. No, she's a marvelous kid. You're a heck of a ball player, but you're even a better person, Kinsey. Know that the Hayslips love you, kiddo, and I look forward to seeing you now that we can get back on the field and forget last year happened. Happy birthday, Kinzer, in Altamont.
Madison Wren, happy birthday, love mom, and the Big Brothers out in Stark City, turning 13 years old.
Break out the driver's license and make it official. Samuel Perkins Hall, now 16 years old. And Samuel, I want you to know that this comes with love from Aunt Charity, Samuel in Pittsburgh.
All right. Braylee Connard, celebrating birthday number 18 this year. Looks like a fun senior pick there. Braylee is in Chautauqua.
Taylor Bruning, no longer a teenager, because we got a big 2-0 on the board. A happy birthday to you, Taylor, in Girard.
In Mapleton, Kansas, turning 28, it's time to celebrate for Taylor Northcutt.
Haley Troxel, she is on your left right there. She is celebrating her 41st birthday. Haley, happy birthday in Chanute.
All right. And we've got Julie Thomas, turning the big 5-0 this year. Happy birthday to Julie in Columbus.
All right, we got a pair of twins here that we're going to celebrate. We're going to start with Anita Cruz, who's turning 57. And if Anita's 57, that means Juanita, her sister, Juanita Tanner, also 57. A very happy birthday to Anita and Juanita. They are in Parsons.
All right. And Stephanie Henry.
Nice catch.
All right. Miss Henry, happy birthday to you. We thank you for all you do. It says here she's a board-certified lactation consultant at Neosho County Health Department.
People don't realize the importance that board-certified lactation consultants have when it comes to new mothers, and usually the services they provide not only are for the extreme importance of the infant, but also the health of the infant, the health and safety of the mother, but it's usually a free service as well. Stephanie, I want to thank you for your role in doing that. I want everybody to realize the importance that lactation consultants have when it comes to raising children. Renee Brown, a happy birthday to you in St. Paul, as she is already ready for football season.
Apparently, Nikki Rosensteel is 21 again.
Like, why do I have a feeling that when May the 6th comes around next year, it's going to be Nikki Rosensteel is 21. I love it. Kent and Marilyn Holt, they are celebrating, get this, their 70th anniversary. Congratulations to Kent and Marilyn. That is an amazing achievement. They are celebrating in Uniontown. Party in the U, right there. Everybody go tell them happy anniversary.
All right.
Elaine Reynolds, a happy birthday in Columbus. Mike Broadwater, happy birthday to you in Joplin. And Todd Murdoch, celebrating number 56. Mr. Todd is in Columbus. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's T-Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. Once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.